start to cry. I start to cry. Today we're gonna try out Richeese factory. It's a new fast food chain, very popular in Indonesia. It just opened in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur. Let's go to try to find it. I've been looking around for ages now, but I can't find it. I'm gonna ask someone now. Oh, it's down there. How do I reach it? I think I'm gonna go up here. Yeah. Here what do we have? Oh. I don't know what to take. I think I'm gonna take this combo fried chicken too. Very spicy, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna take this one. Can I pay by cash? Can I pay by cash, yeah? Or can I have 2 pieces?
Sorry?
Can I have 2 pieces of fried chicken, this one?
Okay, 1 moment.
Oh yeah?
Have it here or take away?
It's here. Yeah.
It's here. Which one?
These 2 pieces of fried chicken?
Do you want a set or a la carte?
Only the sandwich.
Oh,
only the
just chicken only.
Yeah?
Level? We have level 0 to level 5 for spicy.
Let's say level 5.
But you can eat spicy.
Yeah. 5 is fine.
Level 5. Anything else?
Yeah, and this one, potato fries.
Potato fries, okay.
And I'm gonna take the pink drink.
Pink lava.
Yeah.
You want a medium or large?
Medium.
Medium.
And that's all, yeah.
Okay. So, 2 pieces fried chicken level 5, 1 potato fritter, and then pink lava.
Yes.
Total is 24.45.
Thank you.
Tidak, potato fritters.
Oh, can I have also this one?
Okay.
Yeah. This one with the curry.
You wanna serve now or come with
After, yeah.
After your food ready?
Yes.
The icon total is 195.
So she's preparing the chicken. So here you have plenty of seats. Here you wash your hands after you eat your chicken. There's plenty of seats, but it's not a lot of people. So we got 2 pieces of chicken. This I think is a potato fry. A lot of cheese. Good. Let's eat. Okay, let's start with potato. Nice. You can put on your cheese. Now we try to eat the chicken. It's level 5 chicken, very spicy. Well, use your hands, yes, yeah, okay. Okay. Nice. Spicy though, Nice and sweet. I'm very hungry. I guess to clean all the spiciness, you can eat some potato. Then you have the cheese. So let's take a bit of chicken, put it inside the cheese. It's good. Delicious. The only problem is your hands, they're all dirty. If I need to move the camera, I can't. So let's clean it here. And voila. That's it. It's very spicy. Ooh. Start to cry. I start to cry. I need a drink. It's a pink drink. It tastes like bubble bubble. I'm crying. I ate only one piece. I still have one. And the cheese. Voila. The cheese is very good. It's very spicy. Fucking hell. I think I need to. Oh my god. So level fried chicken is very spicy. You use a bit of cheese just to remove a bit of spiciness. It's way too spicy. This one, it will kill me now. That's why they give you the cheese. So you can clean a little bit of spiciness in the cheese. Because otherwise you die here. Look at me. Look at me. I still have to try the cheese ice cream. Let's see. It's mac and cheese. Mac and cheese cone. You wanna try?
No.
You wanna try? My mouth is on fire. I have a mac and cheese ice cream. It's more vanilla. I still have a lot of, oh look at my eyes, they're crying. I still have a lot of stuff to show you. Remember to subscribe. Bye.